Come with us to the flower fields. The flower fields cost £5 per person entry, plus then £8 for that bag there which you could fill with flowers. We got here for opening, so we were the only people there for quite some time. Sarah had some super strength because this always happened. All the roots and everything came out. Some more root pulling by Sarah. A very unusual sight, me running. This was such a lovely way to spend a Sunday morning. Found somebody's purse, handed it in, and this was our lovely bouquet.